Oh, g'day, and welcome to StreetSpecTV. In this episode, we're heading to Pyalong, a beautiful little village situated on the Northern Highway, about 90 kilometres north of Melbourne. We're heading up to the inaugural Pyalong Show and Shine. This is an event put on to raise much needed funds for the local primary school. It's a beautiful day, so they should get plenty of cars there. I'll just finish up here, then we'll jump in the HQ, get down there and check it out.
Look at this beautiful Peter Brock replica race car. Very nice indeed. Last of the big bangers. And another one, VE. Replica race car. I like it. What is this? That's nice. What badge is that? Almost looks like a Corvette badge. Interesting. Mini? Must be all the race cars. Nice looking old truck. Firebird looks nice. Fuel injected. Black on black. How good is that? And of course, what car show would be complete without a couple of Falcons? Nice XR8. Here's a really nice Ford F100. Really like the look of these old trucks. This thing looks good. Pontiac?
Nah, the boot. Oh, nah, he'd have to.
Nice interior. I love the bench seats in them. I like it. Yours, is it?
No, it's my son-in-law.
Oh, very nice.
We came down in it today, so we're present.
Beautiful. Here's a beautiful Monaro. From the American viewers, I think they call them Pontiac GTO. Lovely red leather, black exterior. What a combination. And here's the winner for the day, Preston Show 57 Chev. How good does that look? Very deserved winner. Camera probably doesn't do it justice, but the paint is absolutely beautiful on it. Here's a beautiful example of a WB Statesman, manufactured by General Motors Holding here in Australia. Now around about the early 80s. Very nice example. Red on red. Very nice. Is a beautiful example of an XC Falcon, produced by Ford here in Australia around about the late 70s. This one's actually a Fairmont You can tell by the square headlights. Falcons had round headlights. And here we go, beautiful Valiant Ute. Not sure what model this is. Somebody knows? Drop a comment. Hey, here he is, he made it. Good to see ya.
Just a pleasure.
Looking good.